So let's go for the second rifle of today. This is a Sharps 1874, but it's a bull barrel. It's a bull barrel, heavy barrel gun. It's a bench rest rifle in 22 long rifle caliber. I have a little daughter and a little son, and I'm thinking about the 22 caliber Sharps. Of course not this one, because it's a bit too heavy for a 3-year-old boy or a 6-year-old little girl. But anyway, this kind of shooting it's very good for practice, because you are practicing with an absolutely historical gun, and also it's very cheap to shoot the gun, because the 22 long rifle ammunition is sold for nearly nothing. Here in Europe, I know that in the US you usually have problems with getting the 22 ammo now. But anyway, it's a very good rifle to practice historical shooting. Stefan, what was the intention of the company to produce this bench rest version of the Sharps? It was a request from the customers?
No, it's not just a request from the customer. It was the idea to create something different, to go inside the market of the 22 with a whole style like our Sharps, but with the same quality of a Target 22 rifle.
Now we are going to jump into the deep water, because I believe, Stefano, that this rifle is shooting good at 50 meters, but I don't want to shoot this gun to 50 meters because it has a beautiful Malcolm scope on it. So we are going to shoot it to 100 meters at 22 caliber. We'll see how it works.
Okay.
The Pedersoli 22 long rifle bench rest Sharps features the same sharp section as the full-size models have. The forestock and the butt are made of oiled walnut. The forestock is checkered. The comb is quite high. The butt plate is straight, ideal for shooting the rifle from a prone or sitting position. The heavy barrel is 700 mm long. The rifle is quite nose-heavy, but this beauty was not designed to be shot offhand. This version is equipped with a 6-power short Malcolm scope, available also from Pedersoli. The diameter of the tube is really small compared to the modern scopes, so this optic surely needs good light conditions. For this test we did not use any high-priced competition-grade 22 ammo, but the mid-quality value for money cartridges produced by Fiocchi. This rifle features the same double-set trigger system as the Pedersoli Sharp sporting rifles do. Shot number 1 cleans the oil from the bore, so whenever you go for a good group, always take away the first one.
It's a bit hard to remove the case because of the scope, so I have to pull it with my fingers. It has a mechanical extractor, and it lifts the cartridge about ½ centimeters from the chamber, but this is why I have to use my finger to remove it.
Being a 45-70 BPCR shooter, it is quite a strange feeling to fire this gun. You just wait for the recoil and the roar of the black powder, but it never happens. This heavy rifle is extremely stable. I can imagine what it can do with competition-grade ammunition.
Okay, so I mean, this is, for 100 meters, this is excellent.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's really excellent.
This was the first shot. Okay, it's not sighted in, so we have the 6-power Malcolm scope on the rifle, and this is the first time that we shoot to this distance with this rifle. But I mean, we are talking about 100 meters, so it's for a 22. This is a quite a long range.
Yes.
And I strongly believe that this very heavy bull barrel does its job. I like it. I like it. Please make a lighter version for my son.
Okay. We show the stock, the barrel.
Okay.
Vízipisztollyal kéne kezdeni.
Yeah, well, my father says that first we have to give him some water pistol or something. Child's toy. Okay, it's no recoil at all, very stable. I see that you can fit the normal long-range diopters on the rifle,
yes.
So you can absolutely practice as you can.
So you can use a normal scope like our Malcolm, or the normal diopter and the front size, tuner front size.
Yeah. Actually, I have this Malcolm scope on my rolling block rifle. Not your version, but it's a Winchester A5 scope from the First World War, and I really like this scope, but only in very good light conditions, because it's so small that if you go hunting, for example, with this scope, maybe you can get better results if you're using an open sight. But
I think for the target shooting, maybe a good choice.
Yes, excellent.